Rijntje. Glendy en Puck. Oh. Finished. Taya.
Gaat-ie hoor, te shinen. Ja. Oh, dit is toch prachtig? Oh, wat zijn ze knap. Oh, knap hé, die hengsten. Huppakee. Ah. Ja, precies. Je moet eerst even de dienststop maken.
Shiny is nou samen met Bibi. Dus jou ik ga daar even. Maar zo goed net. Oh, Shiny, mis het opeten. Ja, hallo. Yveske. Het lukt. Of net. Nee. Ze eet het net op. Ja. Shiny en Rijntje. Rijntje. Yveske en Rijsie. And Rijntje wants to go with Sally, but but I don't trust it with Rijntje and Coralle, because Coralle can be mean, and I don't want her to kick Rijntje, because Rijntje is having a fall in a couple of weeks. So this way Rijntje has friends too. I think it's okay. I think she could be together with Sally, but then is Coralle alone. And I don't think that's a good idea, because Coralle can be a bit frustrating then when she's alone. Yeah. And I also think these three can be together, but I'm a bit afraid if Reisi begins to kick. So maybe I'm too careful, but Belle and Coralle. There's Blomke and Sally. Hey Belle. And I saw klavertjes. And I always looking for a 4-leaf clover. And now I saw, okay, where did I show it? Yes, this one. It's with 3, also 4, but Siamese tweeling is it? So this is 3.5. Is that okay too? No, more I don't see. Blomke. And Bella. Hey, Jokte. Hey, Blomke. Hey, Bella. Hi. I just called with Piet Sipma. It's my old boss. Earlier I did work there for 4 or 5 years, I think. And he has an inspection. So I said to him last week, maybe Bella can go to that inspection. So today he called me and he said, yes, she can go there. So in a couple of weeks we go to the inspection. Yay! With Bella, not with Blomke, because there wasn't enough space. So we will see.